And this is just a quick announcement for the giveaway as per mentioned in the title. Don't mind the hair, don't really care. I just kind of did one of those numbers right there. So Griot's Garage and I teamed up to give away one 6-inch random Orbital Master Kit to one person, to one viewer / audience / person that enters the giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, just check the description box down below for the link and to enter and to do all those steps. So the giveaway is based on a point system. So the more points you get toward your entry, the higher chance you have of winning. So it's not just about like you enter and at random, you might win. It's if you get more points, you have a higher chance of winning. And you get more points by entering, by subscribing to my channel and Griot's Garage channel, by sharing the links on social media, by getting people to sign up for the giveaway through your links. So it's an active giveaway where the more action you take and the more points you get, the higher chance you have of winning. The giveaway is gonna run till the 12th, which is Tuesday, and then it ends on the 13th, which is Wednesday. I'll individually reach out to the winner on Wednesday, and then I'll publicly make the announcement on YouTube, my email, and Facebook group. Most likely Wednesday, but if not, maybe push back. But the winner will be chosen on Wednesday, and they'll be. And if the winner is chosen on Wednesday, but they didn't subscribe to both our YouTube channels, then we'll go on to the next person, as that's a requirement to win. You also have to be in the United States or Hawaii and Alaska to enter. Anything outside of that, we can't do as far as legal and logistic reasons. So it has to be within the U.S. or Hawaii and Alaska. And yeah, it's a pretty good price. I mean, it's worth around $350 for everything that you get here, like the polisher, the pads, the towels, the cleaners, the bag. So it's actually a really cool price for you to win. So just check the description box down below for the link. Enter, do all that jazz. You can find more details down below. And good luck to you, and hopefully you win.